Good afternoon, all. I just conclude my meeting with His Excellency Secretary General of the United Nations, His Excellency Antonio Guterres. I conveyed to him a letter from His Excellency Faisal Miqdad, Minister of Foreign Affairs and expatriate of the Syrian Arab Republics. We requesting him to mobilize all UN efforts in helping Syria after this devastating situation caused by the earthquake hit the Syrian Arab Republic early this morning. His Excellency, the Secretary General, expressed his condolences and solidarity with the people and government of Syria, and he assured us that UN will do all it's possible in helping Syria in this very difficult situation. Earlier this morning, Syrian Arab Republic made an appeal to all members of the United Nations, the UN Secretariat, and to the international humanitarian partners, ICRC and others, to help Syria in the rescue process and also in providing health services, shelters, and food supply to people in different cities of Syria. The number of victims reach almost 590, and the injured are now more than 1,500. So we are requesting the help from the UN members and from the United Nations Secretariat to help Syria in this devastating, catastrophic situations, taking into consideration also that Syria had suffered a lot during the last 10 years, and also the unilateral coercive measure which was imposed on Syria by certain countries and also affected the humanitarian situation. If you have any question, I will be more than happy to answer.
Kristen Salumi from Al Jazeera. I'm very sorry for what your country's going through. I'm wondering if Syria would allow the UN to bring in aid cross-line. I know this has been a contentious point in the past, but given the gravity of the situation, will more routes into Syria be allowed?
We assure the UN that we are ready to help and to coordinate, to provide assistance to all Syrians in all territory of Syria. Our government mobilized all its efforts to do so, and we are ready to help also those who wanted to provide the help in all Syria. Please.
Michelle Nichols from Reuters. The UN has said that the cross-border operation from Turkey will be disrupted by the earthquake. Would Syria agree to or allow the UN to start bringing in aid from other points in Turkey if it's more feasible?
I said we are ready to work with all who wanted to provide Syrian from inside Syria. So access from inside Syria are there. So if anyone would like to help Syria, they can coordinate with the government, and we will be ready to do so. Thank you very much.